Okay, this is a WordPress site in progress for Raw Explore. That's the address for Raw Explore, and this is the backend address, which is always /wp-admin after your domain name. Once you go to the backend, you get the username and password, which will be supplied to you, and you just input those in. If you want to keep going in and editing, it's best to tick the Remember Me button, so you don't have to keep putting the password in each time. So there you log into the dashboard. In the back end of the website, you can see quite a few different items. Depending on what sort of access you have for your back end, you'll have a lot or just a few. The main things that I recommend my clients are okay editing would be the text, the copy, and sometimes if they want to update images. So we're going to click in, we start with the pages, and we find the page we want to edit. We click on the edit button, and it loads that page in WordPress. So most WordPress sites have most of this section displayed. With the Divi Builder, which is an add-on which I've included in the website, you'll see the colourful section in the middle there. But all the other stuff that I'm pointing to here is normal WordPress stuff. So this colourful section, the Divi Builder, is an add-on which is on top of the WordPress. It just adds more functionality and makes it easier to design on the front end. So we're going to click on the front end button there for Divi. And this changes the WordPress design more to probably similar to Wix, where you can see exactly what you're building, what you're changing in real time. So once we click on the front end, I'll scroll through. You can see the site looks pretty much like a normal site, but you've got these editable sections. You can see the site on different mobile devices that I'm clicking through here. You can see the site in a wireframe view. I normally work on the desktop version here. And as you hover over the different sections, you can see you've got your rows, your columns within the rows, and then in the grey you've got the actual content. So I've clicked on one of the grey sections here, and I can edit the content. And as you can see, I'm typing random content here, and it's showing it in real time how it will look on the website. So I'll just tick that to confirm. Yep, I don't want any edits this time because we're not changing anything today. The other thing we can do is we can change the picture or the background of that row or column. So now I'm in the actual row, and you can see I can edit that with a little cogwheel there. So I can go into the media files and change it to another picture. For today's example, we'll just click on this purple picture here and see how that changes in real time. We can tick to confirm. Let's go back and just put that other image back in there. So I've trashed the purple one. I can add gradients if I want to rather than an image, or I can just add a solid background. This is the solid background here. You can choose from one of the pre-selected colors, or you can make your own color. What we're going to do is add the image back in from the original site. Upload image. And there, we're back to how we started. I can also move. I don't really recommend doing this. This is something that I would probably do myself as a designer, but you can move the height and width of certain sections. Once you're finished with your changes, we need to go and click Save at the bottom and make that page live. So Save is on the right hand side. And now all those changes, if I had made any changes, would be live. So let's go back to our dashboard. We find that in the top left corner. And from the dashboard we can go and edit other parts of the WordPress site, other pages or posts. And you can see I've started doing a few other pages there. So that's pretty much the basics of how to edit on Divi. It's pretty intuitive. There's a lot more advanced features that I can show you one-on-one. But yeah, for just getting started and feeling your way around WordPress and Divi, those are the two basic changes that I would recommend for the clients. Thanks for watching.